You're probably viewing this video because you're desperate for ways to make money quickly, and I don't blame you. These days, doing some form of work feels so exhausting. You can surely earn a lot of money, but you can't help but feel fatigued and drained. Some will urge you to complete some extremely difficult jobs or put in countless hours of labor. Some may be quite stressful, while others may demand financial investment, both of which can be exhausting. But what if I told you that you can genuinely change your life and make money without putting in any effort? This method is completely free, so you won't have to worry about paying any fees or making any investments. You're going to enjoy this whole thing because it caters to such a diverse group of people and is available in every place on the planet. This is available in almost any country you can think of. You don't need any technical knowledge or past expertise to pull this off. So, all you have to do is be yourself. Now, this method appears to be just great, and you're about to get your hands on it. So stay with me and watch this video through to the end, making sure not to skip any vital information. Now let's get back to the video, shall we? Without further ado, I'd like you to visit the website answerthepublic.com. You can see straight away that the Answer Public is where you can find out what people are talking about by using the search bar. You may easily enter a topic, brand, or product here, and then get some useful results based on what the public is talking all about. Let's take a look at the website right now. As you can see, this platform is where you can acquire instant and raw search insights that come straight from the minds of customers all around the world. So, basically, this is a bot that you can use to its best extent in order to discover some pretty fascinating topics from all over the world. For example, we'll use this search box to look for subjects and debates about weight loss. Let's say you type something along the lines of reduce weight rapidly, and you'll be taken to this page, where you'll find a gazillion of search results connected to the terms you entered. As you can see, it was successful in producing the desired effects. It basically gives an overview of all the queries people have asked regarding losing weight in the data visualization. So that's what you're going to do to make tons of money online. The entire process will be completely automated, which is the beauty of passive income. I promise you will not break a sweat while using this strategy. It'll be like taking a nice ride into town. The only thing you're missing now is a product to market. With that said, I'd like you to go to clickbank.com, which is a massive site that provides reliable e-commerce tools. They also provide industry-leading assistance and education, as well as a global affiliate marketplace. These are all the tools you'll need to establish confidence, which is the platform's overall purpose. Simply create an account and relax. It is so simple that you can do it in a heartbeat. Keep in mind that everything will be provided for free, so you will not be required to pay anything. After you've successfully signed up, go to your marketplace and look through the categories in the left column. Arts and entertainment, business and investing, and many more things make up the platform's marketplace. Now, for this strategy, I just want you to concentrate on one category, health and fitness. After clicking that, you will be taken to this page, where you will find health and fitness-related items and services. Please feel free to browse the full page in order to locate the ideal product for you. I want you to click on the perfect product after you've found it. It will then direct us to this page, where we can find all of the product's details. Simply educate yourself about the product's nature, benefits, and side effects. This will undoubtedly assist you in promoting your product because you are now familiar with it. I'd like you to go to ClickBank immediately and get your unique affiliate link. Simply click this button here that says Promote, and it will lead you to an interface where you will simply click the button that says Produce Help Links. These are essentially your Hop Links affiliate link that you can utilize to make a lot of money online in the future. The second website I'm going to show you is WriteSonic.com. It's essentially an artificial intelligence-powered tool for improving your website's SEO and increasing visitors. With an exceptional perfect 5-star rating, WriteSonic's AI writing assistant writes high-quality articles, blog posts, Google advertisements, and so much more in only seconds. Simply create a free account and then log into your dashboard. The next step is for you to go to the members area and discover the section for AI article intros, which you should click on, and then write. This will create captivating introductions that will grab your audience's attention. Simply replicate any of these introductions. I'd like you to go to the website medium.com. Simply create an account for free, and it's not that difficult because you can use your Google account to do so. So, what is this website about? It's where you'll write a brief blog post about the topic you chose in this video, which was losing weight. Simply copy and paste the intros provided by Writesonic, then add your affiliate link at the end. There you have it, you now have a blog on the internet. All you have to do now is share it with as many people as possible. With these simple steps you can now make tons of money and say goodbye to the struggling life. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell.